everyone, welcome to the Tiantan store. I'm Zhao Zhao. Today, let's explore the NENT SG, a luxurious large sedan. At the end of October, the 2026 model was released, featuring a new version with a lower price point, making the Mercedes-Benz experience more accessible. The 2026 S9 models offer a guide price drastically adjusted compared to the 2025 model, which ranged from 800 to 2.04 million. For the 2026 models, starting prices dropped to 962,600, and the newly introduced S450 Air Format Special Edition saw reductions from the 2025 price of 1.3432 million might go lower. Alongside these changes, the pricing landscape shifts significantly. It has dropped to 1.2883 million yuan. Now, the dealer's discount is not small. At present, the actual quotation of the 2025 model in most areas can be discounted by more than 140,000 yuan, if the 2026 new model also has the same discount. When compared to comparable vehicles like the Audi A8 and BMW 7 Series, which also offer discounts on entry-level models, the Mercedes-Benz models stand out despite a higher base price of more than 600,000 yuan post-discount. Ultimately, your choice will come down to personal preferences for style and brand identity when investing in a large sedan. Regarding appearance, the Mercedes-Benz SG retains the full front design of the previous model, but enhances its refined geometric multi-light LED headlights. The front face exudes stability and classic elegance compared to the Audi A8, while the smooth side body lines complement the stylish 19 or 20-inch alloy rims. The business 19-inch luxury panel has been upgraded to 20-inch, and the door handle is a swing door design with a solid feel. In terms of car size, the Mercedes-Benz S400L series is 5290mm long and the S450L series is 5320mm long. Exploring dimensions, the uniform size stands at 1921mm wide and 1503mm high, with a spacious 3.216mm wheelbase. Rear taillights offer ample space but maintain a minimalist aesthetic. Luggage capacity reaches 535 liters for the S400L and 500 liters for the S450L series. Internal configuration highlights include premium leather-wrapped panels, a 12.3-inch LCD steering wheel, and electric adjustability for added luxury. Taiwan, China has an indirect 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen with high separation rate and intuitive operation. The seat material is made of good comfort. The entry-level model has electric adjustment and heating functions. The S400L luxury panel and above can be equipped with optional ventilation and massage, which is better than the BMW 7 Series. Its interior has a more business-like feel and can provide richer cockpit configurations with similar seat functions. However, compared with the S400L business model, the lower-priced S400L Special Edition reduces the rear independent air conditioning and air purification-related configurations and cancels the interior air conditioning components. Configurations such as active ambient lighting retain most of the core functions of the Mercedes-Benz S, and the comfort is still good. Among joint venture luxury models, Mercedes-Benz is relatively intelligent. For example, in terms of car system, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class is equipped with MBUX system, which is the top configuration of CarPlay and CarLife that supports gesture control. The above configuration of luxury models is equipped with HUD, head-up display, and steering wheel memory. Driving assistance is L2 level standard, with full-speed self-adaptable cruise lanes, maintaining 360-degree panoramic images. There are 2026 S450 Air-Formatic models above the luxury board, and the remote control white car component is cancelled. The driving hanger retains functional diversity and has highway driving assistance. Compared to Audi A8, it offers more value with fewer additional costs. Mercedes-Benz S-Class excels in rear space, ranked first with spacious legroom for height adjustment at 1.65 meters. Steal some space and the height is nearly 1503mm without nodding. The seats are comfortable and supportive. The entire series comes standard with 2 rows of ventilated luxury panels and above. Electric adjustment and ventilation are standard. The newly added special edition rear entertainment functions, such as wireless charging for mobile devices, self-credit rear lighting system, MBUX rear smart tablet computer, and other options require additional optional luxury panels and above. The rear functional configurations are in place, such as independent air conditioning outlets and rear entertainment screens to provide a sense of space and entertainment in the motorcycle. The functions are slightly better than the BMW 7th Jubilee. There is no need to choose too much except the entry version and the exciting version. The installation of power configuration is ours. 4. The 100L series packs a 2.5T low-power engine, delivering a maximum of 230 kilowatts and 450 Nm of torque. 5TL plate liter? Class to 2.5 to increase power engine. The maximum power is 270 days old and the torque is 500 Nm. The top configuration features a 3.0T engine, offering 330 kilowatt max power and 520 Nm torque. Powered by an integrated gearbox, it operates smoothly and quietly. The 48V system contributes to fuel usage of 7.78.4 L 100 km per UWTC. The Audi A8 and Audi A8 provides faster power response, while the Mercedes-Benz S-Class excels in comfort and lower fuel usage. Configuration-wise, the Mercedes-Benz S400L luxury model, with a final price around 950,000 after discount, stands out with 360-degree imaging and luxury features, being more cost-effective than the S450L series. If budget allows, the S450L 4MATIC offers improved power and 4-wheel drive enhancements. However, the new special edition lacks features like advanced air conditioning and ambient lighting, making it less favorable. Overall, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class balances comfort and brand value, but falls short in performance and pricing competitiveness. It suits those seeking business elegance or family calm. Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more reviews of luxury vehicles and discounts.